In September 2025, the streets of Beijing turned into a stage of military power. During the Victory Day Parade 2025, China revealed brand new futuristic weapons that caught the world's attention. But how does this compare to the United States' own military parade? Let's take a closer look. China's parade showcased some of its most advanced technology. Cutting-edge hypersonic missiles capable of traveling more than 5 times the speed of sound, autonomous AI-powered drones designed to operate in swarms, and a brand new stealth tank prototype seen publicly for the very first time. These displays highlight China's focus on future warfare driven by artificial intelligence and speed. Meanwhile, the U.S. military parade emphasized unmatched global reach and combat readiness. The latest F-35 Lightning II fighter jets performed precision maneuvers in the skies. The next-generation B-21 Raider stealth bomber, America's most advanced aircraft, drew massive attention, and U.S. Marines and Special Forces showcased their real-time operational capabilities. This comparison reveals two very different strategies. China is prioritizing futuristic ground and missile systems. The U.S. continues to dominate in air power, global deployment, and networked warfare. According to experts, China is modernizing rapidly and reshaping the balance of power in Asia. But the United States still maintains a clear edge with global alliances, overseas bases, and the most powerful navy in the world. China may be catching up regionally, but America's worldwide military leadership remains strong. The Victory Day Parade 2025 and the U.S. military parade are more than just shows of strength. They send a clear message: the world's two leading military powers are shaping the future of global security and politics. So, what do you think? Which military showcase was more impressive, China's or America's?